If you're seeing this video, then it's for a reason. Spent 4 years in college trying to get a mechanical engineering degree to only then work as a field engineer for 1.5 years in deserted areas. Realized I don't want to work for others and I want to work for myself from home, where I get to be with my family and become a full-time stay-at-home dad. I have spent months going from a business model to another business model, trying to find something that will make me passive income while I stay at home with my wife and daughter. 2 years ago, I came across this guy on TikTok. He was talking about how he made so much money and was able to quit his job all from home, working 1 to 3 hours a day using high-ticket affiliate marketing. He also talked about a course he took to learn everything he knew, and to be honest, I thought it was a complete scam. And I was more skeptical because I was seeing more people on social media talk about the same course over and over. Kept on scrolling, kept on struggling to find family time, kept on searching other side hustles. And every side hustle I did was a dead end. Finally, I was like, what the heck? So I decided to give it a shot and take the exact same course he took, and just to see what happens. Guess what? It was not a scam. Because of that course, I was able to quit my job and I get to work now 1 to 3 hours a day from my phone. All I do now is post links to other people's products and services, and I get paid a commission from it. I didn't have experience, didn't have followers, and I didn't have time since I was working in remote areas most of the year.